Hello kids, Princey here. Today I will teach you how to draw Peppa Pig happy sad picture. Draw with me. First I am going to draw her face. Now I am drawing her nose. And now I am drawing her cheek and her mouth. It's time to draw her eyes. Now I am drawing her ears. Great! Now it's time to draw her body. Now I'm drawing her hands. It's time to draw her legs and her shoes. Great! Now I'm drawing her tail. Now I am drawing one big softie and she is holding the softie with her hand. Now I'm going to draw Peppa's face first. Now I'm going to draw her nose, sad face, her cheek and her eyes. Now I'm going to draw her ears. Now I'm going to draw her hand. She is holding her melted softie. Now I'm going to draw her body and her second hand. Now I'm going to draw her tail. It's time to draw her legs and her boots. Great! Now I'm going to enhance the picture. Great! Our picture is more visible to us now. Let's color our picture. I am using light pink color for Peppa's face. I am using the same color for her second picture as well. Great job! Now I am using bright pink color for her cheek and her mouth. Now I am using red color for her ice cream. Now I am using brown color for ice cream cones. Great! Now I am using bright green color for Peppa's dress. Now I am using bright yellow color for her shoes. Great! Our picture is ready. Hope you like the video. Please do like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.